In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark location in Google Maps. Whether you're saving a meeting spot, confirming exact coordinates, or sending a place to a friend, this quick workflow on a desktop browser will do the trick. Start by opening Google Maps on your PC in any modern browser. Head to the Maps website and give it a moment to load. You'll see the search bar at the top, zoom controls on the right, and the map canvas in the middle. Next, find the place you care about. You can type an address, a landmark, or even a business name into the search bar and press enter to jump straight to it. If you don't have an address, simply pan and zoom the map to the general area. Zoom in close so you can pinpoint the exact spot. Think the entrance of a building or the center of a trailhead. Clicking once on the map helps you visually confirm you're over the correct area. Now right-click directly on the precise point. A small menu will appear. If you see an option like "What's here?" choose it. Maps will drop a pin and open a little info card. This locks the spot you selected and ties it to details you can use. From that info card, you can immediately see the latitude and longitude. They're shown in decimal degrees, and you can click them to copy. If you need to paste those coordinates into a document, a form, or a GPS device, they're ready to go. If the numbers don't look right, zoom in further and right-click again to refine the pin. You can also share the place right from that card. Click Share, then copy the link. Anyone with the link can open the exact pin you marked. If you're signed in, you may also see options to send it to your phone for quick access on the go. Finally, getting directions to this location is just as simple. Choose directions in the info card or select directions to here in the right-click menu. Enter your starting point, then pick your travel mode, driving, walking, transit, or cycling to get the best route. Adjust the start or end as needed until the route matches your plan. And that's it. You've marked a location, captured its latitude and longitude, shared it with others, and pulled up directions, all within Google Maps on your PC.